Alright, today we're going to show you how this lens that I bought off eBay fits on the Canon. Let's see, what model number is this? I don't remember. It's been a while since I played with it. The r800, Vixia HF r800. Bought this. I wanted a wider angle lens, so I bought this off of eBay, and I got it for a pretty good price. Got it for like $35. I got lucky. Anyway, fixing to show you how this goes on. Got the 43mm threads there, as you can see, and my camera down here is going nuts. Now, if you want to know what millimeter your or what size your threads are on your camera, it'll actually tell you right there, right after the zero, the slash mark through the little zero there, 43. That's how you know you got 43mm threads. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot there, but there's just enough, you know, where you can put the lens on. And don't take a whole lot. It just barely catches. But no, I didn't need a ring adapter or anything like that. It just screwed right on. But there you go. That is the lens. Now if you notice a little bit here, right on the corners, right here, maybe a little over here on the other corners, can't really tell because of all the other stuff that's on the screen, but it's got a little bit of vignetting. If you zoom in just a little bit, there, as you can see when I zoom in and out right there on that corner, because it's actually seeing that lens just a little bit, not much. But if you zoom in just a little bit, you still get that wide angle, and it'll work pretty good. Now, if anybody wants to know how much this thing weighs, let's find out. With the lens on there itself, on the camera, whoops, might help it turn this on and focus in on it. Alright, let's see how much it weighs. £1 pound and 6.3 ounces. 22.3 ounces, or 632 grams. But yeah, it's a little bit heavy. The lens is. The lens itself actually weighs more than the camera. .7 ounces. 332 grams. And the camera, 10.6 ounces. And 300 grams. Now, if there's anything else you guys like to know, leave a comment. And if you like this video or not, like, subscribe, pretty much the usual. I'm currently recording on a new Panasonic FZ300, and this camera is really nice. I like it a little bit better than this one here now. Doesn't record as long as this one, but I really like it a lot better. Well, that's all I got for you today. Catch you guys later in the next video.